Hi, everyone. Angela Diffley here, co-founder of the Restaurant Technology Network. We're getting geared up for the MURTEC Executive Summit in sunny San Diego in October. And I have with me Clark Matthews from Pollo, Loco and Rich Hull from Miso Robotics. This is going to be the session that you don't want to miss. In the state of California, with rising minimum wages, we're all concerned with the cost of labor, and this is really going to address that head on with how robotics are taking shape in the restaurant industry. We're going to have a restaurant operator, Clark Matthews, on stage with a robotics manufacturer, Miso here, Rich Hull, and this is going to be a fascinating conversation. I will step off the stage, these two will take the stage, and it's going to be a natural, organic conversation between the two of them. Tell us a little bit about what you're excited to learn or to share in this session. Let's start with you, Clark.
I'm very excited to learn about, I'll say avocado automation for slicing and making guacamole. But also in the longer term, I'm very interested in what we can do to work together for grill automation and thermographic monitoring of chicken cooking. So very much looking forward to hear what Rich has to say.
Yeah,
Awesome.
Clark, I'm excited to have a good dialogue with you. We've got lots of news to announce about the new generation of our signature product, which is Flippy, which many people know. So we'll talk about a lot about that. Right there's Angela with her Flippy hat. We've taken a lot of effort over the last 6 months to prove out the semi-autonomous kitchen of the future concept with our innovation showroom and restaurant in Los Angeles. So we'll talk about that. I think we've probably accomplished that mission. The industry's been talking about that for a long time, and we've figured out how to do it successfully. So we can discuss that, and we can discuss the new generation of Flippy, whether it be pricing, timing, ROI, all the stuff that I think everybody cares about. And then we'll surely get to your discussion about avocados as well, Clark. I know that's important to you.
Yeah, so listen, this is one for the records. I'm excited to hear this conversation on stage. It's going to be like, nothing off limits, and Clark's looking forward to just diving in and asking, I think what all restaurant operators want to know about, where are we with robotics? Where are they going? What kind of traction has Miso gotten in the space, and what are they looking to do in the future? With, as Rich said, some exciting news coming from Flippy. So we're all excited, and thank you both for joining us on stage, and we look forward to seeing you all in sunny San Diego.